Yesterday, so we did some homework help, and I'm going to do some more homework help with you today. Mind you, the only reason you get homework help is if you are here. So if you are not here, hopefully a buddy is nice to you and will allow you to basically get the help that everybody else got in class. All right, what was our circumference formula? Did everybody pick up a formula chart? All right, so everybody find me the two circumference formulas. Did everybody find the word circumference in the black little bar? If you don't see circumference in the black little bar, then you might be on the wrong side. What are my two formulas? C equals what? 2 pi r. Or C equals pi d. Now, this time, you are given the circumference. That means instead of having no C, this time we have a C. This is why the formula, plugging in the formula, is so important. And guys, I'm not asking you to do anything I do not do myself. This is how I always make 100% on these. Because I do the formula, I plug in the formula, and then I solve it. If I mess up somewhere, it's because of the math. Alrighty. What are we using for pi? What does pi equal? 3.14. You're going to use 3.14 for pi unless otherwise stated. That means if it says leave in terms of pi, that means you won't deal with the pi. Or if it says 22/7. Otherwise, use 3.14. Everybody good there? What is the circumference? On the very first problem that I just started. 62.8. We're looking for what? Diameter. Underline diameter. Which formula am I going to be using, knowing I'm looking for diameter? C equals what? Pi d. I don't want to deal with an r if I don't have to. All right, what do I know? Do I know pi? 3.14. Do I know d? No, I'm looking for d. That means this is what I'm going to do. Now, everybody should have a calculator tab open. How do I solve this nice little thing? What am I doing right here? I'm dividing right there? I'm multiplying. So what's the inverse? Division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 314. And what is my answer? I was going to say, that doesn't sound right. Yeah, I was going to say, I'm pretty sure I'm getting 20 when I do the math. And I do the math on these ones, guys, myself, just because I want to make sure my answer's right. So if something doesn't look right or seem right, definitely check your math. All right, we're going to do the one right next to it. What do we know?
The circumference is 17 pi.
Circumference equals 17 pi. Now, what's my formula? C equals what? Is it pi r? It's 2 pi r. How many radiuses make one diameter? 2. So if I have one diameter on pi d, I need 2 radiuses to make that 1d. All right, so now I'm gonna plug it in. What is my C? 17 pi. So this time, because I've got a pi over here, I'm going to leave my pi over here as well. And then do I know my radius? No. How many of y'all are looking at this and going, okay, that looks hard? Okay, I got at least a couple people being honest. Okay. What are we solving for? Radius. I'm solving for my radius. What is right next to my radius? 2 pi. So I'm going to act like this nice little radius right here is a present. What's happening right next to it? Am I multiplying or dividing originally? Multiplying. If you do not see a sign, you're multiplying. So we're going to do the inverse, which is opposite, which is divide. Watch this. So would you agree these are both the same? Would you agree that both of these are the same? Would you agree that both of these are the same? So what's 17 divided by 2? 8.5. Now, was that hard? Did it look weird? Yeah, it did. Because you guys aren't used to dealing with symbols and getting rid of symbols. A symbol or a letter is just a number. It just represents a number. If you have the same symbols, that means you can divide it out and make it equal to 1. No problem. Y'all good with that? Same symbols both sides. You can just divide it out and act like it's a 1. All right, let's see here. You want to do the last one? Okay. All right, what do I know? .5 pi. What am I looking for? Radius. So what's formula? 2 pi r. Don't forget your r. All right. What do I know? What do I want to plug in? C, which is what? Okay, and what is that equal to? If you're not sure, we did one just like it. 2 pi. Am I missing anything? R. Is there anything on both sides that looks the same? But the pies look the same, right? So can I do this and just leave it as a pi and cross off my pies? I think so. 2.25, y'all? All right, how are we doing? We're doing okay? All righty. Pull out your homework.